In this video, we're going to be talking about some tornadoes that occurred in October. October 14th, 1966, a funnel dropped down near Belmont, Iowa, in the USA. The tornado would cause F5 damage to multiple homes and would take the lives of 6 people. On October 4th, 2013, a tornado would drop down near Wayne, Nebraska. It became very wide and destroyed multiple homes, causing evil damage. This is one of the only recorded events that shows triple strong tornadoes around the same time. Towards the east, a way stronger tornado dropped down and destroyed multiple homes. This event was one of the greatest events in history of weather, but it's been mostly forgotten. Now lastly, we have the only F3 tornado in Swedish history. Now this was not recorded in any way, but it did cause F3 damage with F3 winds. It had around 75 meters a second of winds and flattened over 40,000 trees.